2013 GMC TERRAIN. Lift gate issue. The button don't work. The remote works. Now, what do you think that is? It's got a power lift gate. You have a power lift, like shock looking thing on the left side, and you have a regular shock on the passenger side, the lift support. So let's check this out again. Watch this again. Now, what do you think happened here now? I'll tell you what happened. The passenger side, the lift support, is supposed to do the job my hand is doing. So it's wore out, it's weak, or it lost all its fluid, and that's why it's doing that. If you didn't know, now you know. Let's change that lift support. That's your lift support. On the driver's side, that's your power lift, your motor that lifts the tailgate. And the passenger side is your lift support. This one helps to hold it up when you open. Okay, so this is your lift support here. All right, the brand name, Stabulous. Part number, right there. So this is aftermarket. You can pick this up at the regular parts store. It goes there. Okay, the way to remove this is a little flat screwdriver. Just stick it in right here and pop that out. Take it off like that. On the next side, same thing. And you take it out. Okay, so now let's examine what's happened here. Right here, the fluid came out here. Got dust sticking to the fluid, right? See that? I'm pushing it with my hand. Normally you can't push this with your hand. Let's get the new one. Okay, same length. See? I cannot compress this because this has to hold up the weight of the tailgate. That's why. Okay, now to install this, make sure you have this metal clip at the end here, because that's what holds it in place. Just put it right there and tap it in with your hand. There, that's it. It's in. And do the same thing to the next side. Okay, on this side, we're gonna have to raise up the tailgate. Hold that weight up there. Yeah, right there. And snap it the same way. See, now it's staying up. See, now it's staying up by itself. Hands free. Okay, so now I'm gonna press the remote to close it. So let's try this again. Let's open it. Close it again. That button don't work. That's a separate issue. Open it again. So there you have it. I open it and close it about 3 times. That's my test. So it's good to go. That's how you fix that problem. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell your buddy, tell your neighbor how to fix that. So until next time, we'll keep making some new videos.